I need a haircut. Hold up.
Hello?
360 Jeezy. Yo, what's up, bro? Hey, man, I need a haircut. Anything you can do? Just give me a date and a time, and I will be there, my man.
Oh yeah, bro. How's today at 1?
Oh, nah, bro. I actually won't be around till like 3 o'clock, so can't do that.
Okay, well, how about tomorrow at 10?
No can do. I have a doctor's appointment tomorrow.
Alright, well, so scratch that. What about 6 p.m. tonight?
I won't be able to do that one, bro. I got family dinner at 6 o'clock sharp.
Alright, bro. Hold on. What about Thursday at 2?
Nope, no can do. I'm actually going to be...
Man, what happened to, oh, well, just tell me a time and I'll be there. Come on, man. We got online bookings for this, man. Just go on the site, go on my online site right now, and just book your appointment. I'm not finna sit here and go back and forth with you, bro.
This guy's so difficult to book with.
360 Jeezy. 360 Jeezy. 360, 360, 360,
Alright, you guys, so before I actually start cutting, let me take out this rubber band. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna cut it all off. My client wants a big chop. He wants to take it down to the length that's in the front right there. So right now I'm just focused on taking off most of this bulk that's on top so I can run through it with my clippers. Combing the hair forward, I realized that his hair is straight and we definitely need to wash this. All right, so what we're gonna do is wash it and it's gonna get back into that kind of curly like state so it looks normal. Right now his hair was straightened so it don't look right. So as you can see, it's not, after I washed it, it looks normal. So I'm gonna go behind it with my 2-guard with the lever closed and go with the grain, just trying to match it up with the the length that is on top. But as I'm going through, I'm kind of noticing that I'm gonna need to go lower, but I'm gonna continue to go with this 2 just to be on the safe side. With the 2-guard, I realized that I do need to take it lower in certain spots. So I grab my 1-guard with the lever open and I'm going with the grain, taking it down to the proper length that matches the hair in the front. Cleaning this up, but we're still gonna run through our steps as if he didn't already receive a taper. All right, so right now I'm setting in my bald line, making sure I go upward, not setting it in harshly, and I'm just clearing out the bulk at the bottom. Now going back with my clippers, I'm going up about a 1/2 inch with my lever open, and I'm making sure that I go over the guideline multiple times to ensure that it's at that length. Also, I'm brushing as I go. Now putting on the 1-guard with the lever open in that same width. Go up about a 1/2 inch Make sure you go over the guideline multiple times and brush as you go. So now I'm going up with the 2 guard with the lever fully closed, and I'm just clearing out that bulk on the top, not really setting in a guideline. This is just me just making sure that everything blends in to the 1.5 that I put on top. So I always like to work my way back down, putting on the 1 guard with the lever open and just kind of cleaning up that area between the 1 and the 2. Taking baby steps, I'm just going to close the lever on that 1 guard and soften up that middle line. Now that the guideline is softened up, you can take it out easily with that 0 guard with the lever fully closed in a flick out motion. Now, I'm not just going straight up and down. I am going to be going side to side because his hair does grow kind of slantward to his ear. Now with the lever fully closed and a flick out motion, flick out that bottom line. Remember to start below the line, flick to the line, and adjust your lever as you go up. And make sure you use your corners too at all times. Now as far as the back goes, it's the same exact steps. What makes you faster at cutting hair is memorizing these steps, okay? You should already know what you're gonna do before you go to the next guard or go to the next step. You should already have a visual of what it's gonna look like before you actually start cutting as well, because visualizing is everything. So make sure you memorize these steps as much as possible to up your speed when you're cutting hair. So I'm gonna prep the front line by using some dry shampoo. I'm gonna spray it all around his face, his lineup, anywhere that I'm gonna line it up. I'm gonna spray there, and I'm just gonna brush everything out and spray some hairspray. That way everything can lock in, it can stay stiff. The hair won't move while you line it up. and they come out looking like
Got it. Got it. Got it. Got it. Yeah. Got it.
you